Good morning, everybody. Take a look outside at our temperatures. First off, it's cooler in Bloomington at 48, but 10 degrees warmer in Robinson, Illinois at 58 degrees. It's 60 down in Florida, and the reason is the skies were clear for most of us during the overnight hours, and these clouds have slowly moved off to the east. So Bloomington, you were the last one to see this blanket of clouds move in, and therefore you were allowed to get a little bit cooler. With these clouds, look at this, as far south from the north, that is, as far south as 36. The heaviest rain's up near Chicago right now. We are still seeing a few areas of some spotty light rain around Danville, around Petersburg, around Covington, throughout portions of Montgomery County near Crawfordsville, back out west near Charleston, but south to I-70, not much at all. Any of this is not what we're concerned with. Sure, this is some light rain. It may bother you as you step out and about this morning, but it's not going to pose any real threat to our flooding problem yet. This rain up here is dropping anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of new rain. We're expected to see that much this evening, as all of this, while it's moving off to the east, will slowly sag to the south as the day goes on and move in this afternoon. So again, ahead of that, you can see we've got a few of these spotty areas of rain showers, but not really concerned with that at this hour. Just need to let you know about that so you don't walk outside and say, hey, there's a couple sprinkles, and get surprised. So essentially, most of us are going to see these clouds break up during the morning hours, and then we're going to see the rain showers this afternoon. Sure, we got a couple sprinkles this morning, but it's this afternoon that I'm most concerned with. Let's get this out of the way. High temperature 79 degrees. Now let's get to what we need to talk about. Thunderstorms. They're up here to the north and northwest of us right now. This map is essentially good through midnight tonight, and what that means is, again, as the day goes on, those are going to sag to the south. Our thunderstorm threat does increase. Our severe weather threat increases a little bit, but it honestly looks like the severe weather threat stays just to the north and to the west of us. We'll keep our eyes on that, but severe weather or no severe weather, we're getting some rain showers, and it looks like we're going to see some decent rainfall amounts, 1 to 2 inches of new rain. And while I say decent, I mean that for the amount, not because we want it by any means. Here's the deal with the future cast. We've got the clouds, but look at that. They do break up a little bit. We do get into a little more sunshine right around lunchtime and shortly thereafter. Upper 70s at that point, winds out of the southeast. Now, I think the computer models are a little slow to bring these rain showers here, and they've got them here by about 5 o'clock this evening. I would count on some scattered rain showers, a little more numerous rain versus what we've got right now, moving in as early as about 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. I think the heaviest thunderstorms are right on target, with this moving in about 8 o'clock tonight. Within here, we may get another 1 inch of rain underneath a cell like this, these scattered areas of rain showers. And then with continued rain overnight into Saturday morning, scattered showers around near this cold front, we're going to add potentially another 1/2 inch to 1 inch, bringing a grand total of rain by Saturday morning around 7 a.m., close to 2 inches in some areas. Now, I know the other day we had 6.5 inches of rain fell in Monroe County near Bloomington, Indiana, on the north side of town. That was the heaviest rain in the two-state region that day. Again, just 2 days ago, yesterday morning included in that. We had portions of Jasper County, Illinois yesterday, Richland County, Clay County, Illinois, southern Greene in Indiana, southern Sullivan and northern Knox and Davies counties that received anywhere from 4 to 5 inches of rain. So nobody wants any of this rain, but that's the deal with this moving through tomorrow. How about plans for Saturday afternoon? Looking good. Count on clouds and scattered showers in the morning. I know Indianapolis, yeah, it's 500 time. Indianapolis 500 stuff going on during the weekends. Looks like, again, some clouds and light rain showers in the morning, but as the day goes on, a better day tomorrow in the afternoon than during the morning hours. But it's going to be cooler. Look at this. An area of high pressure moves in from the west. Winds are going to be out of the north. Temperatures will be much cooler, lower 40s for Sunday morning, and daytime highs only in the upper 60s, where an average should be mid-70s this time of year. So rain's in the forecast today. Scattered rain showers north of I-70 right now. Very, very light rain at this hour. Matter of fact, we'll break the clouds up and see some sunshine before our heavy rain showers move in this afternoon. After about 4 or 5 o'clock this evening, rain and thunderstorms will continue overnight. Another 1 to 2 inches of rain is expected. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow afternoon as the system moves to the east. 68 degrees. That's a warm afternoon. That's pleasant. But with winds out of the north and northwest, it will feel cool, down to 42 tomorrow night. And look at this, Abby. We've got to get through tonight and tomorrow, and then we get into at least a stretch of, right now it looks like, 7 days of dry weather, which would be very welcome. We could use about 27 days of very dry weather, and that's honestly no joke. That wouldn't hurt any of us outside as the water table's up. I mean, it doesn't take much rain at all before your yard's back to being a swamp, and I'm sure most yards are even still a swamp from the rain we got just yesterday. So.
And definitely